Hi, I'm Dr. Cruz, and thanks for taking the time to visit our website. I graduated from the orthodontic program at UCLA in 2005 and have been practicing orthodontics here in Chula Vista ever since. Having grown up in San Diego and knowing what a fantastic city this is, there was no doubt that I wanted to come back home and both practice orthodontics and raise my family. I married my wife, Carrie, while still in dental school, and as my professional career developed, so did our family. We are blessed to have two daughters, Kaylee and Carly. I love what I do. Above all else, I enjoy the personal relationships that I have with my patients. It is incredibly rewarding to see many of them grow up, to see their confidence grow as their smiles improve, and knowing that my staff and I played a role in this. We have patients that have been done with treatment for years that will stop by to say hi and catch up with us. And I think this speaks volumes as to the care that we provide and the relationships that we develop. We offer a complimentary consultation, which involves an x-ray, photos, and an extensive examination. We also take the time to discuss individualized treatment options that are custom tailored to your needs. I look forward to meeting you or your child and discussing the options.